Hi, and welcome to a video demonstration of the Capita self-serve e-change in circumstances solution with eGov Hub functionality built in. It's a revolutionary new product which allows a user not only to report change in circumstances, but it also allows customers in the back office to change the content of the form as and when guidance notes need to be changed or the format of the form simply needs to be made more user-friendly. So currently the form's called Change in Circumstances Notification. Customer services have not found this to be the most user-friendly, so they've told the back office to change it to tell us what has changed. And as you can see, I've done that in a couple of clicks and simple entry of the text. But what if you wanted to add a translation? So in your area, for example, there's lots of people that speak French, or lots of people that speak Welsh, or lots of people that speak Urdu. You can add a translation at the click of a button, as I've just illustrated. Now, because I've added that, if I exit edit mode, change the language to French, and press go, you'll see that the option for continue a save form has actually changed the text to French. So what you'll also notice is that there's the standard options of continue a save form and start a new form. Then we've got some guidance notes, again, which can be completely edited. But at this point, what we need to do is we need to confirm who the person is. We need to confirm using the standard data protection things like date of birth, national insurance number, full name and address, exactly who that person is. But more importantly, we need that data so that we can find that person in the back office and retrieve their claim information into the background. One of the biggest advantages of this software is that we actually allow the user to change only things that have changed, and therefore they're not seeing everything about their claim. So we're hiding a lot of the information. So in this instance, what I'm going to do is say that somebody's moved out and somebody's moved in, and that there's some other information that we need to provide the council with. So my first change was somebody's moved out. So I'm going to say Samantha Cameron's moved out, and she moved out on the 1st of September. I'm then going to say that the person that moved in isn't a partner, isn't a child, but they're a non-dependent. In other words, has a family member or friend moved in. So not has a non-dep moved in and then having to provide explanatory text. We're trying to make it as user-friendly as possible for the user. Now I'm just entering the details of the non-dependent. As you'll see, with non-deps, national insurance number is not mandatory, so again making the process quicker. Now what you'll notice here is we've got information at the bottom about statuses, benefits, and we can also see that we've got earnings. But I'm going to set this person as passported, and the form dynamically adjusts to take account of that and means that they no longer have to provide earnings details. So the non-dependent with passport status is what's sent into the back office. I'm now going to provide an extra change, which is just highlighting that he's going to inherit some money in the month of December. And with that, I've processed those 3 changes in about a minute. So really, really powerful stuff in the sense that we're taking all of the claim details from behind the scenes and we're updating those details to go back into the Capita back office. As you'll see, I've now submitted my form. But one of the most amazing parts of the eGov Hub is that you now have a complete solution for seeing every form that's been received. So I'm looking at the integrated change and search form for David Cameron. You'll notice that we can look at the PDF, we can look at the XML that would have went into the back office, and you can see the text that we entered in the notes earlier. But the other thing that you can do is you can even send it into SharePoint. Now that SharePoint could be your EDMS application, but the power of this solution is that it fully integrates with SharePoint and creates a SharePoint library. So I can now see the PDF in SharePoint. And if you think about it from a cost-saving perspective, this could potentially replace your EDMS application. So within the PDF, we can see all of the content of the things that have changed. And that is pretty much a whistle-stop tour of the Capita eChange in Circumstances solution with eGov Hub functionality. I hope you've enjoyed it. And for more details, please go to www.egovhub.com. Thank you.